In front of me is ASUS ZenFone 10 and today I would like to show you how you can resize phone. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access Display. Then scroll down again. Click on Display Size and Text. And swipe left or right on this font size slider in order to adjust it. You can check out preview above. When you finished, just go back. So when I do that, as you can see, size of my text has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!